Hey animators! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create expressive character actions in Moho, from simple gestures to dynamic movements. Whether you're animating a wave, a jump, or a reaction, this tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step. Let's dive in. Take my character 1, for example. If I go to frame 0, click Reset, then open the Actions panel and select an action like walking, I can click Insert Reference and one will perform that action exactly as intended. Just selecting the action applies it instantly, which saves me a lot of time compared to manually rigging or animating it from scratch. Here's another example. If I choose the jump action and click Insert Reference, one immediately starts jumping. It's that simple. No need to animate it from scratch. Just drop in the action and it's ready to go. Before we jump in, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, now is the perfect time. It helps support the creative work I'm sharing here, and make sure you never miss another Moho tutorial. Alright, let's get started. First, delete any existing keyframes from the timeline to give yourself a clean slate. You can also click Reset if you want to return the character to its default pose. Next, make sure you're using the Bone Transform tool and that you're working inside a bone layer. This is essential for animating the rig properly. Now let's create a simple action, sitting on the floor. Think about how the body folds, knees bend, hips drop, and the spine curves slightly forward. We'll block out the key pose first, then refine it. If you end up in a situation where the bones look misaligned, say, one leg appears longer than the other, don't worry. That's a common hiccup when posing characters manually. Just switch to the Bone Transform tool and click to adjust the bone positions directly. This lets you fine-tune the structure without affecting any other actions or animations. Remember, you're creating this pose as a single action, so these bone adjustments apply only here. Moho will automatically revert the bones to their original positions when you switch to other actions or timelines.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing.
Once you're happy with the pose and everything looks good in the preview, it's time to save it as a reusable action. First, highlight the timeline where your keyframes are. Press Ctrl+C to copy them. Now make sure you're in a bone layer. Select the Select Bone tool from the Bone Tools panel, then click on any empty space in your workspace to deselect everything. Next, go to the Actions panel, click Create New Action, and give your action a clear name, like Sit on Floor. Press Ctrl+V to paste the keyframes into this new action. Finally, click Save to lock it in. Next time you want to use it, just head over to the Actions panel and select any action you saved. It's that simple. Here's an example. You can mix your sitting action with a hand wave, a head turn, or even a blinking sequence, all at the same time. Moho blends them together seamlessly. And that's it! You've now created, saved, and tested your sitting on the floor action in Moho. If you've made it all the way through, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. It really helps support the channel. And if there's anything you'd like to learn in Moho, whether it's rigging, smart bones, or advanced animation techniques, just drop a comment below. Thank you for watching until next time. Now sit back and enjoy the rest of the video with some soothing music. You'll see how I created other actions, like sitting on a stool and kicking a soccer ball, using the same modular workflow. These actions build on everything we've covered, and they're just as easy to create once you understand the basics.
In the buzz, a newfound beat steps to the sound that's everywhere. Flipping scripts on shadow corners, gliding through the twilight's maze, echoing tracks from unseen performers. Found a world that music sways. Next chapter, a pulse he follows, footprints in the urban dust. Lucid beats the city swallows, and every note he finds is trust. Outside the club, life rearranged in a new light. Found his groove, left the night fuzz, heads returning, feel the insight. It's a rhythm in his motion. Urban poet smooth with his phrasing, taking time, sets the notion. Can't help but nod to the beat he's raising. Okay, the vibe's so chill, beat so fulfilling. Trust in the music, ride the wave he's building. In the loop, he finds his space, turning corners, sets the pace. Ride the sound, his only chase, his mind adrift in the echo base. Underneath the city's glow, moving to the beat so innate. Melodies warmth in the evening's cool. Life's remix, can't hesitate. It's that lo-fi rhythm, got him cruising. Eyes closed in the groove, he's not losing. Crooked streets, lay down the beat. In his stride, you hear a tune. In his side, the hum of city breathing. Moonlit chords and stars commune. Flickers of a melody weaving. Sink to the pulse beneath the moon. Gentle rhymes, no need for speaking. Life's a track that plays in tune. On the rooftop, the roof, his thoughts align, the skyline in sight.